Are you looking for a printer for sublimation printing? In this video, I will show you the 5 best printer for sublimation printing based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the HP Officejet 9025. It's the ultimate in productivity. The HP Officejet Pro 9025 All-in-One is a revolutionary inkjet printer that scans up to 2x faster than the HP Officejet Pro 9010 series and offers two 250-sheet full-ream paper trays for high-volume jobs. Features like Smart Tasks and the ScanBed's easy slide-off glass help increase productivity and save time. Reduce interruptions and maintain privacy and control, thanks to the 9025's self-healing Wi-Fi and best-in-class security. No matter how you choose to connect to your wireless printer, you can be confident in quality prints. The 4th product on the list is the Epson Stylus C88 Plus. The Epson Stylus C88 Plus speeds through critical projects and reports, delivering amazing quality and durability, time after time, with revolutionary DURA Bright Ultra Pigment ink. This powerful performer gives you incredible results, whether you're printing a photo or proposal. Need to print that financial report for an impromptu meeting? With black text print speeds up to 23 ppm superscript 1, you've got it covered. And with fast-drying, smudge, fade and water-resistant ink, there's no need to worry about handling the document. Share it on the spot. It's ready when you are. With such exceptional quality and versatility, DURA Bright Ultra ink offers the ideal solution for nearly any printing project, from high-quality enlargements to everyday text and graphics. Double-sided prints look great because the ink will not bleed through. The 3rd product on the list is the Epson Workforce WF7710. Powered by Precision Core, the Workforce WF7710 wide format all-in-one printer quickly produces print shop quality borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches and scans up to 11 inches by 17 inches. A versatile inkjet, it features a 250-sheet tray, plus a rear feed for specialty paper, ensuring added productivity for any office. It also includes auto 2-sided print, copy, scan and fax, plus a 35-page auto document feeder. Use the 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and control. Featuring the ultimate in wired and wireless networking, the WF7710 makes it easy to print from tablets and smartphones and includes Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet and NFC. This Epson printer is designed for use with only genuine Epson brand cartridges. Other brands of ink cartridges and ink supplies are not compatible and, even if described as compatible, may not function properly or at all. The 2nd product on the list is the HP Pagewide Pro452dw. Get low color costs and fast speeds with the HP Pagewide Pro452dw printer. Energy-efficient HP Pagewide technology delivers the reliable performance that businesses demand and drives office productivity with impressive, professional-quality color documents. Rely on best-in-class security and management features like pin printing, and help keep your printer secure with Secure Boot and Secure Code Integrity Validation. A new level of wireless connectivity you can count on. Get a stable, reliable wireless connection with built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, and print without a network using Wireless Direct. The 1st product on the list is the Epson Artisan 1430. Wide format. Wireless performance. The Artisan 1430 takes photo printing to the next level of performance, delivering brilliant, ultra-high-definition prints as large as 13 inches by 19 inches. And, with convenient wireless networking, it's easy to share your Artisan 1430 with others. Now, anyone on your network can create large-size, gallery-worthy prints, or even design and print professional-looking CDs/DVDs. The Artisan 1430 includes advanced color and lighting correction for amazing photos for added creativity. Photos are smudge, scratch, water and fade resistant thanks to Claria high-definition ink. And prints last up to 4 times longer than Photo Lab prints. Take your creativity further with the Artisan 1430 from Epson, the brand of choice among professional photographers. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.